Okay, so let's see what I have today for everyone. So, guys, remember recently I was started talking on types of retail store worldwide. Means what kind of stores we have throughout the world, maybe in your city, in your state, either next to your home and other things. And what kind of business you can do, or what kind of business you can have in the form of store, physical store, correct? Or it can be online store also. So keeping all the things in the mind, I have started series of videos. तो अभी कुछ दिन से मैं रिटेल के स्टोर के प्रकार कितने होते हैं या किस प्रकार का आप शॉप ओपन कर सकते हैं बिजनेस करने के लिए और प्रॉफिट अर्निंग करने के लिए जिससे आपके जीवन में बहुत ज़्यादा सहायता हो सकता है। तो एक वीडियो मैंने बनाया था जिसमें मैंने बताया था कि किस किस प्रकार का कैटेगरी होना चाहिए ये सब। और मैंने ये भी प्रॉमिस किया था कि बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टाइप्स ऑफ रिटेल स्टोर एंड ऑल द थिंग आई बी शेयरिंग लाइक what kind of factor you should take care of or what are the variables are very important for your business, correct? तो मैंने ये भी आपसे वादा किया था कि मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगा कि कोई स्टोर जब आप ओपन करते हैं या फिर कोई बिजनेस आप जब करते हैं तो उसको प्रभावित करने वाले कौन-कौन से तत्व हो सकते हैं, कौन-कौन से बाहरी वातावरण हो सकते हैं। तो चलिए इन सब चीज़ों को माइंड में रखते हुए देखते हैं क्या-क्या हम आज आपको बता पाएँगे। So yes, you all are knowing about this particular page. So I have talked about, category of the business, or you can say like types of store, types of shop you can have for your own business and all the thing, correct? तो ये एक प्रकार का कैटेगरी है, एक प्रकार का स्टेज वाइज या फिर मान लीजिए कि एक ग्रुप है और एक ग्रुप में कितने प्रकार के शॉप होंगे, इन सब बातों के बारे में हमने आपको शॉर्ट में बताया था लास्ट वीडियो में। करेक्ट। और फ्यूचर में इसी बात को जैसे मान लीजिए कि फूड और बेवरेजेस है तो इसमें कितने प्रकार के शॉप हो सकते हैं तो ये सब वीडियो में फ्यूचर में ऐड करूंगा लेकिन अ, इससे पहले आपको बहुत सारे मुझे फैक्टर बताने हैं जिनको आपको हमेशा अपने दिमाग में रख के ही कोई बिजनेस करना है, स्पेशली रिटेल स्टोर। ओके, so it's a chapter number 2 and here we are going to understand important points before choosing any बिजनेस। सो मैं यहाँ पे बिजनेस का मतलब समझिए कि जैसे आप कोई शॉप ओपन करने जा रहे हैं तो किन किन बातों का आपको ख्याल रखना है बस। और बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से मैं बताने का कोशिश करूंगा, करेक्ट? सो दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to keep in the mind what kind of points you should take care before opening any shop, any store. So that's what I was telling about कि business factors are very important before choosing anything, correct? So I have given an example also like how much you know 100% about the business. Then investment you will do yearly, then fund it will be loan, then this business only will work for the 6 months, then competitors are many, total manpower needed three. So these are like a focus point where people will think कि yeah these are the thing I should take care of, but no, there are other points also you should take care of because you are opening a store, you are opening a showroom, you are opening a shop. Understand this where lot of factors are there that you should know. तो ये याद रखिएगा कि अभी जैसे किसी शॉप के बारे में आप सोचेंगे ना तो आपको लगेगा यार ये तो फैक्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इसी को केयर करना चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिनका आपको केयर करना है। सो लेट्स सी, ये तो पहला पॉइंट था। So here just I'm repeating again. There was some technical issue, nothing else. So please, I'm really sorry for that. So here you have to try to understand कि when we are talking about the influencing variables, correct? So what are the variables are there, or what are the factors? Maybe it's internal or external, which will affect to your business. So I have jot down like a customer. Customer definitely will influence 100%. If no customer, no business. Then employee, employee you need. Trust me, without employee you cannot work at all, so that is also 100% influence. Then operating costs, you cannot ignore whether business is happening or not. The expenditure will be there like a salary, electric bills, then incentives, local expenditure, daily expenditure and all the thing. Then local interest. So local interest, you have to be very careful what kind of a political interference are going on. Who are your neighbors when you're opening your store, correct? And then culture, what kind of a culture, belief systems are there in your particular area where you're opening a shop. See, I'll give you an example also related to culture. Suppose you are opening a food shop, either you can say like a restaurant kind of thing. And if that particular area believes that everybody should be vegetarian or every maximum are vegetarian, so you cannot open non-veg shop at all. So you have to take care of that point also. Correct. See, I'm not against to these other thing, but this is very much visible in that scenario. Correct. Then again, suppose if you're opening a shop related to festival and all the thing, and that festival comes only within a 1 year. So again, your shop will not survive. Correct. Then what kind of a stock level you are having, whether stock is moving or not, what kind of methodology you are following, like a LIFO, FIFO, and all the things, correct? Then technology support. So remember this, nowadays still I can see it's the year 2026 where I'm recording a video. I have seen the retailer who are not taking a technological technical support, but they are doing very good business. So, but you should not ignore this technological support because it will help you. So, like what kind of software you're using, what kind of digital marketing you are going to do, and then what kind of other things you will take care of, like a social media and all the thing, correct? To improve your business. So this is the again one point, but this is also not enough. Trust me. First one was a business. Then we talked about influencing variables. Still, there are many things which we need to take care of before opening a shop, before opening a store, before opening a showroom, whether it is a luxury showroom, premium showroom, day-to-day showroom, or premium luxury showroom. Let's see what I have next. So next we have a types of account. So when you're doing a business, what kind of account you will have? So here, like your whether you want to be individual, like a proprietorship, or franchisee you want to take, or partnership, or you want to have a joint venture, or private limited, limited company, or LLP. LLP means limited liability partnership kind of things. So understood, each business has a different kind of a compliances. Each business has a different kind of a advantage also. See, I'm not saying that you cannot do the business as an individual, as a proprietorship. You can do very well. But when you are looking for the longer approach, then you need to see the franchisee. Then again, if you're thinking you should have your own brand and all the thing, then again you should go for the partnership and then private limited company. And then if you want to grow more, then again you should become a limited company, correct? Then again, you want to be a private limited company, but you don't want to take a more risk, so you can have a LLP also. Correct. So this is also very important. So remember this, why I'm talking about that. Whenever you will be looking for the new kind of a relationship with other business, with the employee, with the society, people will see what kind of a business you are. Suppose you are a proprietorship, you'll face a lot of issue. Big companies will never come to you unless you are not a diamond kind of business owner in the world, correct? So that you have to take care of, because big companies, they need that people should have a compliances, people should follow the government local rules and all the things. So this is also, and you can get a very easy, employee also if you are a private limited company or limited company, because they will feel my personal growth is there, I can grow and all the things. So there are a lot of things why you should select any one of them. Remember this, all four points, whatever I'm talking about, the types of account like proprietorship, franchisee, partnership, joint venture, private limited, NLP, all are good. But when your focus, when your target is very high, when you have to travel a lot to achieve your business and all the thing, you must go for private limited company. Yes, this is my suggestion. Why private limited company and all the thing? You can talk to your chartered accountant. He will tell you what are the advantages you will get when you are a private limited company. So this is what I have talked till now. Then again, few more factors where people will not talk. Remember this. These are the point where people say, this is ignorable and all the thing, but no. So what is the point? Distance from a business place. Suppose you have opened a shop, correct? So what are the other factors should be very close to your business? So first one is transportation, restaurant, correct? Toilet, bank, residential area, offices, and local politics. So these are how much if these people are very close to your shop, then trust me, you will be making a great business. Suppose transportation is very far from your shop, then people again won't prefer to come to your shop at all. Trust me, even then, if suppose nearby your store there is no restaurant, there is no edible item shop and all that, again they will ignore, they will not come. Then toilet. So this is a nature call is a very important. Either you should have a toilet inside your store, or you should understand that your building should have. So if the customer is coming, anyone they can have this facility. Bank, very important. Nowadays, yes, I agree. You can do a online transaction and all the thing, but still we need to think that bank should be very close to our shop. Either maybe 200, 300 meters, or maybe maximum 1 kilometer. Okay. Then residential area, your shop should be very close to residential area because whatever you're selling, who is consuming? Humans, correct? So that you need to take care of. Then offices. So remember, if residential is area is very close, offices are very close, then again you will have a lot of customer working. Correct. If offices are there, then you will be having a lot of company order, bulk order, and all the thing for your shop. Whatever you are selling, whatever you are making, whatever service you are giving, anything. Then local politics. Suppose local politics are very active, then you can earn lot of profit. You can do lot of business. See, wherever very positive politics are present in that particular area, na, you can do very well. Because see, I'll tell you one thing. Anywhere in the world, if you go, correct, local people will follow their local politics. So always just take a support from the local politics to make your store as a brand, nothing else. And whatever can be done, you do positively, where government should also support. So these are the important point which I'm sharing based on my experience and based on my thought process. Trust me, these are the point you will not get anywhere until as you're not going to university or you're not under great leadership. So yes, I agree. I got a lot of leadership, very good managers and all the things. So I have learned these are the things from them, and that is what I'm sharing to you. So अ, आज के लिए बस इतना ही और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर से कुछ नई बातों के साथ हम अ, आएंगे एंड विल ट्राई टू share. So for today, this much only, and hope you have liked my video. If you like, just you uh, subscribe my channel and like the video, and you can share this video with anyone. Remember this, yes, of course, I'm sharing my experience, but trust me, these are experience are wonderful, which I have learned from my throughout the life. And yes, it's not only experience. I had been involved with this kind of a businesses where I have done a lot of things. Correct. So आज के लिए काफी है. Yes, I know that types of a shop, correct, under each category. That I'll be starting again soon because I thought of कि अगर हम आपको कोई शॉप बता रहे हैं तो उस शॉप से बहुत सारे फैक्टर होते हैं जो आपको पता होना चाहिए तभी आप वो शॉप ओपन करें. That was my thought. So I thought, okay, let's share first the influencing factor, which can be a good or bad for the new shop owner and all the thing. Correct? So yes, और ये मेरा सिर्फ आइडिया है और you have to do your research and development. You should go in a market and see what's going on and all the thing. Then you should take the decision. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आप सभी लोग को धन्यवाद. Thank you.